Hey everyone, it's Darren from Dell. Thanks so much for taking the time to tune in. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Latitude 5440, which is our most scalable and most sustainable Latitude yet. I am pumped. As you may be aware, we do have a 3000, 5000, 7000, and 9000 series Latitude. This is the 5000 series 14-inch. We also do have a 13-inch and 15-inch. Let's jump into the unboxing. So over here is the box. I'm going to go ahead, pull the seal, place that down there. As you notice, the box is, the packaging is made from 100% recycled or renewable materials. So we are leading with our Latitude portfolio, especially when it comes to our moonshot goals. I've done videos talking about that. But again, this is the 14-inch 5440. So over here, we do have our power brick. Let's go take a quick look. This one ships with a 65-watt adapter. And we have the notebook here, which I will place down right there. We do have our safety regulatory information right here. Let's go ahead, close the box, and take a look at the notebook. Alrighty, this is the notebook itself, and we have our 5440. Pretty sweet. Alrighty, so you do see that we do have your headset jack, your USB Type A, as well as an HDMI port. Fan venting on the back, and then flip it around the other side. You do have your RJ45 USB Type A's, as well as 2 Thunderbolt ports, and you can actually configure this with 5G mobile broadband, which is awesome. Let's take a look at the device itself. You do have your keyboard here, your trackpad. You do have a camera shutter up top. So from a hardware specs perspective, you will see Intel's 13th generation CPU architecture. That's Raptor Lake. You are going to see a boatload of memory, storage, you name it, from a config standpoint, definitely going to give you the scalability. We are leading the sustainability story with the Latitude 5000. You're going to see more sustainable content gen on gen. We talk about the LCD lid. We talk about the palm rest, we talk about the battery, the inner frame, even the rubber feet. There is a ton of sustainability packed into the device. So with that, this is the unboxing of our Latitude 5440. Thanks so much for tuning in. 14-inch screen here. Take care.